This lesson presentation will focus on symbols. First, let's look at a definition of the word symbol. It is a person, object, image, word, or even an event that contains additional meaning more abstract than its literal meaning. So it's an object, for example, that stands for something larger than itself. There are two types of symbols we'll talk about. The first is conventional symbols. Conventional symbols have a similar meaning for all of the members of a given culture. Authors use them with the assumption that people will recognize the meanings. For example, the American flag might represent freedom to all the people of the American culture. Sometimes, though, settings can be symbols. For example, if we have a dark and stormy evening, that would be used to symbolize fear or some kind of foreshadowing of evil or something negative to come. On the other hand, sometimes an author will use a symbol to establish contrast. For example, a character may find a four-leaf clover right before he has some horrible luck. Do you remember what else that is? Right, that's also irony. Next are things called contextual or created symbols. And these have a meaning that the author creates for the reader. They gain their symbolic meaning in the context of a specific story. These can be a setting, a character, an action, an object, a name, or really anything else in a work that maintains the literal significance while suggesting other meanings. For example, the whale in Moby Dick has very specific meanings to that novel that it would not have to other novels.